中国海警14607，中国海警14607，中国海警14517，中国海警14517。这里是中华民国海洋委员会海巡署舰队分署 DP182艇广播。你已违反台湾地区与大陆地区人民关系条例，进入我方限制水域，你的行动已影响我国海域秩序及安全，请立即转向，尽速离开我方限制水域，否则我船将依法采取必要之行动。China Coast Guard 14607 China Coast Guard 14607 14517 14517. This is ROC Taiwan Coast Guard Petrol Port PP 10082 calling. According to the Act governing relations between the people of the Taiwan area and the mainland area, you have entered ROC Taiwan restricted water without permission. Your action have destabilized maritime order and security of ROC Taiwan. Adjust your course and leave our restricted water immediately, or we will take the necessary action under the Act of ROC Taiwan.